Welkom. Dis weer tyd vir groot plesier. That means in English, welcome. It's time for big pleasures. It does not sound the same as in Afrikaans, but I was so excited this morning to start my latest project that I smeared my mascara in my eye and I was crying mascara while I was stitching my fabrics, my eco-dyed fabrics. Later I just had to get up and clean my eyes. I didn't even want to stop to do that. That is how excited I am to start my new project. So remember in yesterday's video, I got the brainwave to jelly plate print my proteas onto my fabric, onto my eco-dyed fabric, and then to make either, at that stage I thought, a big blanket throw. Now I think I should start with cushion covers. You know, don't go too big, too fast, but says who? Really, says who? So I was going through, that was actually an amazing experience. I was going through all my eco-dyed fabrics of the last year. And remember, I made that blanket already, double-sided blanket. I made my coat double-sided, so I used a lot. And then I forgot about the rest, and as I was thinking about my eco-dyed project on my jelly plate printing on this with my large jelly plate, I thought, let me see what I have. Very, very interesting. Things that I thought wasn't very nice is actually absolutely gorgeous. But before I talk about that, I found these two pieces. It was two longer pieces like this. It was a long piece like this that I had to cut in the middle and then sew together to make this